Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable Bluetooth, icon in taskbar. Firstly, you need to click empty area and on taskbar, and you need option taskbar settings. Click on it. Now scroll down and there is option taskbar corner overflow. Now scroll down and there is option Windows Explorer. Now you need to enable. Now you see this Bluetooth option. You see taskbar. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video. This video is work for you or not. Thanks for watching again.